Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. So we continue our lesson. Lillahil mashriku wal maghribu. East and west belongs to Allah. So these are the words we have learned in this lesson. Al-mikwatu, al-darajatu, al-milqatu, al-qidru, al-baqaratu, al-falahu, al-anfu, al-famu, al-uzunu, al-yadu, al-rajulu, al-shayu, al-ummu, al-salajatu, al-qahwatu, sariyun. Sariyun means fast. Sariyun fast. And nafizatun, window, jiddan, very. Now, we will learn another lesson, lesson number 7. We have learned zalika. Now we will learn tilka. In this lesson, we learn tilka, which is the feminine of zalika. Tilka is feminine of the zalika. So which means that. So for masculine, we use zalika. For feminine, we use tilka. Haza Bilalun. This is Bilal. Was Zalika Hamidun. And that is Hamid. So Zalika is for Hamid. This is masculine. Next is Hazihi Aminatu. This is Amina. Tilka Maryamu. And that is Maryam. So Tilka and Zalika have same meaning. Zalika we use for the masculine. Tilka we use for the feminine. This is the only thing that we will learn in this lesson. And there are few words, new words we will learn in this lesson. An-naqatu, she camel. Al-battatu, duck. Al-mumarridatu, the nurse. Al-baidatu, the egg. Al-muazzinu, muazzin, the person who calls azan. Ad-dajajatu, hen. So these are the few words we will use in this lesson and we will learn. Okay. Ad-darsu Sabe, 7th lesson. Man hazihi. Man hazihi, who is this? Hazihi Aminatu. This is Amina. Waman tilka. And who is that? Waman tilka, who is that? That is feminine. Tilka, that, feminine. Tilka Fatimatu, that is Fatima. Hazihi Tabibatun, वतिलका मुमर्रिदातुन, तबीबतुन doctor, this is a doctor, lady tabibatun, lady doctor, watilka mumarridatun, and that is a nurse, mumarridatun, nurse. हाज़िही मिनल हिंदी वतिलका मिनल याबानी, हाज़िही मिनल हिंदी, this is from India, watilka minal yabani, and that is from Japan. So it will be yabani Hindi because it is a proposition. Minal Hindi, minal yabani. Min is a proposition and it make majroor. Haza tawil, hazihi tawilatun. This is a tall, tawilatun, feminine of the tall. Hazihi tawilatun. This is tall. Watilka kasiratun. Kasiratun, short. That is short. So kasirun is for masculine, kasiratun for the feminine, and that is short. That is short. Man haza, who is this? Haza Hamidun. Faman zalika, zalika aliyun. So now the use of masculine. Man haza, haza Hamidun. Faman zalika, and who is that? Zalika aliyun. That is Ali. Aap tilka dajajatun. Is that hen? Is that hen? Hen? La tilka battatun. No. That is no. That is duck. Tilka dajajatun, is that hen? La tilka battatun. No, that is duck. Ma tilka. Ma mean what? Tilka that. So it will be, what is that? Tilka baidatun. Tilka baidatun. That is egg. Hazihi sayaratul mudarrisi. Hazihi sayaratul mudarrisi. This is teacher's car. Sayaratul mudarrisi. This is mudaf and mudaf ilayh. Watilka sayaratul mudiri, and that is principal's car. And that is principal's car. As-sa'atu abbasin haza. As-sa'atu abbasin haza. Is this watch? Is this Abbas watch? Is this Abbas watch. La hazi sa'atu Hamidin. No, this is Hamid's watch. Hazihi sa'atu Hamidin. This is Hamid's watch. Tilka sa'atu Abbasin. Zalika dikun. Zalika dikun. That is roaster. That is roaster. What tilka dajajatun. That is hen. That is roaster and that is hen. Tilka we using for the feminine and zalika we use for the dikun, roaster. So this is exercise. Hazihi madrasatun wa tilka jamiatun. This is a school and that is a university. Hazihi madrasatun wa tilka jamiatun. Zalika himarun wa tilka baqaratun. That is donkey and that is cow. So donkey is masculine, we use zalika. Baqara is feminine, we use tilka. Azalika masjidun. Masjid is masculine, we use zalika. Azalika masjidun. Is this masjid? La. Tilka madrasatun. No, that is madrasa. That is school. So madrasa is feminine, so we use tilka. La tilka madrasatun. Haza jamalun wa tilka naqatun. Jamalun is masculine, we use haza. Naqatun. Okay, wait a minute, here is Hassan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So we continue our lesson. Haza jamalun Haza jamalun wa tilka naqatun. Jamalun is the masculine, we use haza. Wa tilka naqatun, naqatun is feminine, she camel. So we use tilka. Tilka naqatun. Hazihi mudarrisatun. This is a teacher, female teacher. Mudarrisatun, female teacher. So for female, for masculine, we use hazihi. Watilka talibatun, and that is student. Talibatun is feminine, we use tilka. Watilka talibatun. Haza kalbun wazalika kittun. Kalbun is dog. This is dog. This is masculine. Wazalika kittun. Kittun is a feminine. We use wazalika kittun, and that is a cat. Kittun is a masculine word also. Haza kalbun wazalika kittun. This is a dog and that is a cat. Haza baytul muazzini. Baitul Muazzini. This is Mudaf and Mudaf ilayh. Baitul Muazzini. This is Muazzan's house. Watilka Hadikatu Tajiri. Hadikatu Tajiri. And that is merchant's garden. Hadikatu means garden. This is Muazzin house. This is Muazzin house. And that is merchant's garden. We use tilka for hadika. Hadika is a feminine word. Patilka hadikatu. This tilka we are not using for the tajir. This tilka we are using for the hadikatun. Patilka hadikatu tajiri, and that is merchant's garden. So we have to fill in the blanks with tilka and zalika. Where we will use tilka and where we will use zalika. So you can open your mic and you can help me to fill in the blanks. So here in first, it will have tilka or zalika.
Tilka.
Tilka. And number 2,
Jalika.
Zalika Abdul. Number 3,
Jalika.
Zalika Qalmun.
It will be Tilka.
Tilka Mil'aqatun. Good.
Tilka.
Tilka Ainun.
Jalika.
Zalika Hajarun.
Hajar. Jalika.
Zalika Qamisun.
Commission. Tilka Kidrun.
Tilka Kidrun.
Tilka Nafizatun.
Tilka Nafizatun.
Bakaratun.
Tilka Bakaratun.
Jalika Maktabun.
Zalika Maktabun. Good. Tilka Naqatun. Zalika Muhandisun. Zalika Muwazzinu. Tilka Mumarridatun. Zalika Sarirun. Good. tilka hadiqatun,
tilka,
tilka talibatun. Good.
dalika,
This one,
dalika,
zalika jamalun,
tilka,
tilka battatun. Good. So this was our lesson for today. Ismul ashara lil qarib. For near we use haza and hazihi. Asmaul isharata lil baid. For far we use zalika and tilka. Haza we use for the masculine. Hazihi we use for the feminine. Zalika we use for the masculine. Tilka we use for the feminine. So this was our lesson for today, and tomorrow we will have a lesson, very important lesson about the grammar, about the sentences. Tomorrow we will learn about the sentences, how to make sentences in the Arabic. So tomorrow lesson is very important, and I hope you all will be in class on time.
Inshallah.
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 So we end our lesson here. You have any question, you can WhatsApp me, you can Telegram me. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Ila liqai ma'as salama.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.